All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are coming live from our Joburg office. Good morning and welcome back to the opening bell with myself, Tshepo and Ashley. And this is brought to you by TD Markets and TD Markets Academy every Mondays to Fridays at 9, streaming live on YouTube. I trust and hope that all is well on your side. And yeah, let's get it cracking. So this morning we are keeping it simple. We are doing updates on the charts we spoke about. The direction we've been talking about for the past couple of weeks, past couple of months, the market is moving towards that direction. So we're just going to do an update to see what has changed since the last update and so forth and so on. So we've got gold, we've got silver, we also have NASDAQ, all right, gold, silver, as well as NASDAQ. Now, to kickstart with NASDAQ, so we spoke about this in our trading room yesterday, all right? So we spoke about NASDAQ, and then we had these two possibilities. Either NASDAQ is going to break down or it's going to break towards the upside. So we had the latter. It broke towards the upside. So we're anticipating NASDAQ to give us a push back to that zone there, right? We're anticipating NASDAQ to continue momentum towards the upside. At the moment, it is reacting to the structure now, right? This is the structure that is a bit of a problem at the moment. Although we have broken the resistance, but we still have the structure. We can't ignore the structure. So a break above the structure, we will easily see NASDAQ pushing back to 25,400. Maybe let us just round it off. $25,400. Yeah. So we're anticipating, should it break above, for it to go there, right? If it fails to break towards the upside and then it goes down, we'll come back and redo the analysis and see if there's any changes we can anticipate, right? But for now, this is how we are looking at NASDAQ. And then you've got silver, where silver is headed back to this structure here. We spoke about this also, that silver is going to go back to the structure. It broke this previous structure right here, gave us a retest, and now we are closing in on that target there around the structure. All right, so silver is on its way there. So once it reaches that zone, we'll come back and redo the analysis to see if it continues up or not, right? But there's a possibility, a higher possibility, that it's going to break and continue towards the upside. So that is how silver is looking. And then you've got gold, where we said gold is likely going to come back and retest this. And once it retests this, we are looking for a continuation up. So we had that retest. So now the market is moving towards the upside. All right. We also spoke about this on the trading room yesterday. So we have broken out of this structure. We have broken out of this structure. Now we're pushing towards the upside. All right. We're anticipating gold to go back to the zone, to go back to that zone there. All right. So we're going to just keep a close eye on it. But whatever happens, there's a possibility also that gold might retest this again. It might retest this zone again, where we might see something like this coming back down again, and then this, right? There's this possibility we could see gold doing this, but it doesn't matter. We remain bullish on gold. All right. So this is how things are looking this morning, guys. It is halfway through the week. We've got gold, silver, and NASDAQ. The markets are moving according to the analysis. Let's see what's going to happen during the course of the week, right? Let's see what's going to happen there. So yeah, so guys, that's it from us. That is the opening bell, a quick update. We'll catch you guys again tomorrow. Enjoy the rest of your day. Good luck and cheers.